Welcome to another problem solving series where we have this equation a plus 6 all raised to the power 4 plus a plus 4 all raised to the power 4 is equal to 82. What is the value of a? To solve this equation, we'll just simply dive right in and start by using the substitution to simplify the problem. If you notice in this equation, you will see here that our a plus 6 and a plus 4 have something in common, which I can say what they have in common is that there's an a plus 5 in it. So we're just going to go straight to it. So first of all, we're going to break down the equation by first of all letting x be equal to a plus 5. This is just the beginning. So we're going to simplify now the equation, which simplifies and simply means a plus 6 to the power 4 will be equal to x plus 1 to the power 4, and a plus 4, all this to the power 4 will be equal to x minus 1 to the power 4. This is simply meaning we can just break down, since as you can remember, x is a plus 5. If you just come here, you see x is a plus 5 plus 1. It gives us back to the very equation, and here where our x is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 will bring us back to this equation. So from here, we're going to continue this problem solving. So we're going to substitute this back, that's this, back in our equation. And so from here, we have now x plus 1 to the power 4 plus x minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 82. From here, we're going to just dive in and then we try to expand and solve this equation right now. But we have to remember using the binomial theorem, where the binomial theorem from here, if you just try to remember, where it tells us that what if p plus q to the power 4 is equal to p to the power 4 plus 4p to the power 3 q plus 6p square q square plus 4p q to the power 3 plus q to the power 4. From this, we can simply see here now, which will be imply our x plus 4 to the power 4 using this expansion will be equal to, or just dive right in, will be equals to x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 3 plus 6x squared plus 4x plus 1. And our x minus 1 to the power 4 will be equal to, we have x plus 1 will be equal to x to the power 4 minus 4x to the power 3 plus 6x squared minus 4x plus 1. So we see that we have finally expanded this, keeping in mind our x is equal to a plus 5. So we're just going to continue from here and continue solving. Here we can basically add these two from this our equation, where it tells us that x plus 1 to the power 4, if we add them, we're going to see that adding the two, we see now that what our equation will become 2x to the power 4 plus 4x cubed plus this, it cancels out, this and this cancels out, 6x squared plus 6x squared give us what 12x squared plus 4x plus minus 4x gives us 0. 1 plus 1 plus 2 will be equal to 82. So we have seen now that we have added these two equations and it gives us this. Now we can continue the problem solving series. So from here, what are we going to go now? From here, we're looking at it, we can divide all through by 2. The division all through by 2. So give us an equation of x to the power 4 plus 6x squared plus 1 is equal to 82 divided by 2 gives us 41. From here, we will send 41 to this side, and in mathematics, when you send 41 to that side, what does it give us? It gives us now x to the power 4 plus 6x squared plus 1 minus 41 is equal to 0, which finally gives us x to the power 4 plus 6x squared. 1 minus 41 gives us negative 40 is equal to 0. Looking at this equation, we see now that we are still at a very high x to the power 4 6x squared. What can we do here? We can simply just let y be equal to x squared. If we substitute this y inside, it will give us now y squared plus 6y minus 40 is equal to 0. This is our new equation again. So from here, we can solve this quadratic equation by factoring, because here we just need two numbers that can multiply to give us negative 40, and to add, that will give us 6. Now if we look at these two numbers, what do you come in mind? We see that these two numbers are 10 and negative 4. Because if we multiply 10 times negative 4 gives us negative 40, and 10 plus negative 4 gives us positive 6. So here we can basically expand now. This is our equation: y squared plus 6y minus 40 equal to 0 will become y plus 10 times y minus 4 equal to 0. Now we're at this point now, so if you look at it, we can now see that what this equation has two solutions, which the two possible values of y is equal to negative 10 and y is equal to 4. Now, but we have to remember that our y will equal to x squared. This implies x squared is equal to negative 10 and x squared is equal to 4. Our x is equal to the square root of negative 10 and our x is equal to the square root of 4. If we are solving this, our x, the square root of a negative number does not exist. So we see now that what one of these solutions has what a complex solution, which is equal to plus or minus I, the square root of 10, and our x is equal to 2. Now we are now on a position where we have to look for the value of a, because we have to remember again that from the first equation, our a was equals to x minus 5. Now, because this equation we are looking for the real solution, we're not going to be using the complex solution. So if we're looking for the real solution, we see that case 1, from case 1, we see that when x is equal to 2, our a is equal to 2 minus 5, which is giving us negative 3. And our case 2, when x is equal to negative 2, our a is equal to 2 negative 2 minus 5, which is equal to negative 7. Sorry, I forgot here that it's plus or minus, because when you're taking the square root, of a number, this plus or minus. Okay. So we have two cases. So our a is equal to -3 and -7. So the real solution for this is -3 and -7. And we can basically just test it out in our equation, where the first for a is equal to -3. We see that -3 plus 6, all this to the power 4, plus -3 plus 4, all this to the power 4, is equal to -3 plus 6, it gives us 3 to the power 4, plus -3 plus 4 gives us 1 to the power 4, which is equal to 81 plus 1, which our answer is equal to what? 82, which verifies the equation. And for a equals to -7, we see again that our -7 plus 6, all this to the power 4, plus -7 plus 4, all this to the power 4, is equal to what? -7 plus 6 gives us -1, all this to the power 4, plus -7, which gives us -3, all this to the power 4, which gives us what? 1 plus -3 to the power 4, since as it's a square, becomes plus 81, which is equal to 82. So you see now that the both solutions are correct, and basically we can come to the end of this our problem, where our a is equal to -3 and -7. Thanks for watching all through, and see you all in the next video. Please subscribe, so anytime I post new videos, you'll be the first to get them.